this really sounds. Honest to God, I'm going to come down there.
Hey, well, I see here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my channel. I have an interview I'm going to share with you today. Yes, I was actually a guest on a popular online radio program, The Pirate Show, out of Chicago, on the Bleat Network. Garry, the host, wanted me to take him on what he called a virtual tour of Jamaica. And so he asked me some appropriate questions. Turned out to be quite fun. I enjoyed it. We spoke about the culture, we spoke about the food, we spoke about places to go, and even some folklore. So I have that, and I'm going to share that with you right now. Remember though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos.
A great way to introduce our guest here. We're going to go live to Jamaica right now. I just pulled up his website, and looks like he's having breakfast there. It's Wellesley Gale joining us right now from Jamaica. Morning, Wellesley.
Hey, morning. How you doing?
I'm well. How are you doing? What are you eating on your website there?
I think that was some curry chicken in it.
So,
chicken, yeah.
I'm not going to ask if you're a native Jamaican. I'm betting that you are.
Absolutely.
Wellesley is the author of, Intriguing Facts About Jamaica, a book that came out in 2008, and the Jamaica Insider Guide. And as I said, I just pulled up his website. It's My-Island-Jamaica.com. My-Island-Jamaica.com with hyphens in there. All about Jamaican food and culture and people and scenery and stuff. You like reggae music? Is that a loaded question? Do you listen to reggae?
I do. I was enjoying the music you Exodus a while ago you were playing. I was listening to it, I haven't heard it in a while, but yes, love it. It's synonymous with Jamaica, reggae music.
Do you, whereabouts do you live in Jamaica? Do you live in Kingston?
I'm on the Montego Bay side.
Okay. All right. Okay. I'm picturing. I actually have a map here. I'm trying to work on it. So,
that's more west northerly side of the island.
Okay. All right. What's the favorite thing that you do in Jamaica? What's your activity that you can't wait to get to?
Well, I actually played a lot of cricket back then. I don't do it as much now, especially since the pandemic and stuff.
Yeah.
But that's what I enjoy most doing is playing cricket and going around the island. See different places, different sceneries. Lots of things to do, as you know. I mean, I think I have an article there with over 100 and odd places, interesting places in Jamaica. So love that.
Yeah.
On a weekly basis, I try to go at least one place now. It's still a little challenging now, but I try at least once. For myself as well as for my readers and YouTube subscribers, so I can share more of the culture, the landscape and stuff with them,
What do you think people that have never been to Jamaica? I've never been there. I love the music and I like the food. What is it that we don't know? What would surprise me? Give me a fact that would surprise me about Jamaica.
Well, Jamaica, and this is an interesting one. Jamaica, Port Royal. Not sure if you heard of Port Royal.
Yeah.
Before, but Port Royal is on the Kingston side. It was once named the wickedest city on earth. That was where there's a lot of artifacts there, and there was an earthquake, a major earthquake there back then. So a lot of pirates and stuff would hang out back on that side of the island back in those days, and a lot of gambling and stuff used to take place there. So it was like an offshore haven, if you will, way back in that time.
I'm having trouble hearing exactly what you're telling me, but I think something about an earthquake.
Yes. Let me see if I can get a little closer.
Okay. This is Wellesley Gale. Wellesley Gale is the author of Intriguing Facts About Jamaica, the Jamaica Insider Guide, and the proprietor of a YouTube channel which is devoted to all things Jamaican, food and culture and people and scenery and stuff like that. So tell me, are you into, you into legends? There are local legends that you talk about there, Wesley?
You mean like dopey stories and stuff
Yeah,
like that?
you know, folklore stuff like that. That sounds much better, by the way. I didn't. You sound like a different person.
Oh yeah. You mean so since I'm actually I have the phone a little closer now.
Yeah, that's much better. We want to hear you. So yeah, you know, folklore, legends that you tell people about when they visit you there.
Quite a few. I mean, you tell per person, for example, if you wash your face in unprocessed rice, you will get the ability to see duppy. You'll hear us also that if you feel you're targeted by evil, you should wear your clothes on the wrong side. You know, so we have quite a few. I went to a funeral last year. The mother died, and the baby was passed over the casket at the funeral. That is something that is, you know, I didn't even realize we still do that. You know, you pass the baby across the casket. They say you want to do it, show them the baby one last time, kind of thing.
Uh-huh.
You know, but that's more like on that side. But in terms of luck, they'll also say to you that spilling salt is bad luck.
Spilling
you should throw,
spilling salt is bad luck.
Yeah, so you should throw some over your shoulder, back way to reverse that.
Okay. I've seen that. I've seen that one.
You seen that before?
Yeah. No, we do that. Do you cook, Wellesley? Do you cook yourself?
Okay.
Yeah. Do you cook food?
Cook? Oh, I try. I try. I think I'm doing a little better now since COVID.
Yeah.
Because I spend a lot more time at home. So for the last year or two, you know, I've done a lot, and I believe I'm doing much better. So yeah, my wife will tell you that I am not a bad cook at all. You know, certainly for Jamaican food.
What do you call Jamaican food? Like jerk?
Jerk. We have jerk. Yes, jerk chicken. Again, that's trademark Jamaican food, popular all over the world. But you know, we also have you know, we have the curry chicken, we have the escovitch fish, we have fried fish and bami. We also jerk pork. You know, we have curry goat, which is really mutton. The goat, curry that with white rice is also another popular food here. We have bacon. We have sweet potato pudding, cornmeal pudding. Of course, the world famous Jamaican patty.
Yeah.
You know, I can't make that, but those are some of the foods that you're probably a little familiar with from Jamaica.
I've heard of the curried goat. I never had a curried goat. Yeah, that's probably an acquired taste.
It's actually pretty good. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. It's mutton.
Yeah.
And you curry it. Of course, you know, Jamaican curry is used, which has its own taste and flavor. It's pimento, which I think you call it allspice in the States.
Yeah.
Is a part of that ingredient, which may give it a special flavor. So most of our signature dishes and spices, pimento is used in there, and that gives it a rather Jamaican taste. We call it, you know.
I'm hungry.
So
you
should be here. You should be here, though, man.
Yeah, I want to. And what do you drink with all that? Alcoholic or non-alcoholic? What do you wash all that down with?
I am not. Well, personally, I'm not so much alcoholic. Certainly not anymore.
That's good. That's good.
But you know, one of the foods that if you're coming here, and those who are listening would want to certainly have is sorrel. We have sorrel, Jamaican sorrel, which we're hearing more and more now have significant medicinal benefits.
I don't know that word. Spell that.
Sorrel. Sorrel.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
It's
like a hibiscus, a flower.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah.
I've seen that. And you said it's medicinal.
We are learning more and more now how powerful it is medicinal. But historically we have that at Christmas time. It's a delicacy at Christmas, with Christmas cake, Jamaican fruit cake. So we have that, but we also have throughout the year. We have our soursop juice. We have our carrot juice, and different persons do it different ways. Traditionally, for the carrot, for example, we mix that with stout, with like a stout, like a Guinness stout or a dragon stout.
Right.
We put condensed milk in there with the spices of nutmeg and stuff like that, and that's supposed to give you an extra boost, stamina kind of thing,
I think anything with Guinness in it does give you a boost. Carrots or not, you think?
I guess, yes.
Yeah, I do want to come down and visit. If I visited Jamaica, how long do I want to be there to see them?
I think a minimum a week. Ideally 2 weeks.
All right.
There's so much to do. There's so much to do here. Every parish, and I have a document on my website now with lists every parish and all the activities in each parish. There's so much. I mean, there are caves. There are caves to explore. I think we have close to 1,000 caves and things, so they say here. Some are more popular than some, obviously, and some are more visitable than some. But we have a lot of caves here. Green Grotto Cave, a lot of blue holes. We have beaches. We have, of course, world famous Negril Beach.
Right.
We have the caves I mentioned to you. We have a lot of museums. We have with artifacts. We have a lot of historical sites. We have so much here. We have nature. We have places that you can go and get and just enjoy nature. The bird sanctuaries, floral places.
We're big on birds on this show. I was thinking about the birds in Jamaica. So this really sounds. Honest to God, I'm going to come down there. I know that the tourist industry has been impacted by the COVID, but hopefully we're going to get back to that pretty soon here. So, I'll come down and.
Yeah, man. There's quite a lot. I mean, it's quite a lot. Now we're doing stuff like farm tours, rafting. I was a couple of days. I was at what we call the Rastafari Indigenous Village.
Right.
Yeah, which again is another aspect of our culture, which is really interesting, intriguing.
I'd like to know more about Rasta. That's an example of something that I could probably learn a little bit more about.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I would implore you. I would implore you. I've learned. I myself have learned. I've been learning so much more over the last 2 years about it.
Yeah.
They had a monthly show,
Right.
At the end of each month. But that's not happening now. It's postponed because of the whole.
Because of the COVID.
But it's so rich. The food. It's almost like in a totally different world and different aspect of Jamaica that you can't afford to miss. Of course, Negril. You heard of Negril and the Sunset at Ritz Cafe. You should have known about that. The Glistening Water attraction in Trelawney, where the water glistens at a certain time of when you go there and play in it. One of the most magical attractions in Jamaica. The Dolphin Cove attraction, Mystic Mountain, the world famous Don River Falls. You know that. You should know
Well,
that one.
you're a walking postcard for this place.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Wellesley, thanks for taking a moment and visiting with us this morning. Wellesley's YouTube channel is My-Island-Jamaica.com with hyphens. My-Island-Jamaica.com. Yeah. Listen, I'm going to come down and we'll shake hands, okay?
Looking forward, man. Looking forward.
All right, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me, and thank you to all your greetings to all your listeners and
thank you.
my subscribers. I'm sure will be listening at some point here, so I salute them as well.
You have you be safe and well, okay?
Thank you. Same to you and your family.
It's Wesley Gale from Jamaica.
I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you did. I hope you learned some stuff too. It was quite fun but educational. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, again, remember, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. I have a lot of videos about Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of them. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. This is indeed the real Jamaica.